Okay guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be on the May BOXYCHARM, and as you can see, it's another thick boy this month. Obviously this isn't a surprise, but I've already looked in this and I'm actually so excited for this box. It's gonna be a good one, I think. I planned on doing another video before this one, but the footage ended up all messed up, so I might end up just recording like either a voiceover or like a commentary type thing, because I want to get it up, but the footage is all wonky. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, before we get started, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter, and we'll just get into the video. First, we have, once again, a tick box this month, so we're gonna open it up and see. The theme is Super Bloom, which I'm not sure what that means because the background is like a, I don't know, it's like a shimmery kind of thing, but the Super Bloom is in like a digital kind of font, so I'm not really sure. But anyways, the first thing in the box is this guy. This is the Milkdew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. I'm not really sure if I can put this on top of my, or underneath of my makeup, but we'll see, I guess. It's got a nice frosted glass, I think, bottle. Oh, and the price is, oh, it's by Oasis. Glow Oasis, sorry. And it's $34, which actually is not that much for skincare. So the rumors are true. It did make my face sticky, but it hasn't, had that much time to soak in, so maybe it'll be better. I don't know. We'll see. The next thing in the box is this thing. This is the Basic Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. I'm actually kind of excited for this, but also kind of nervous. And this is $18. Eyelid primer formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look that lasts for up to 12 hours. My thing with eyeshadow primers is I'm not good at blending, okay? And eyeshadow primers are not really supposed to set, especially if you're using more like colorful shadows. You're supposed to like pat it on and then blend it, but I haven't really gotten the hang of that yet. So yeah, but let's see if this is pigmented or not. Okay, so it's not pigmented at all, actually, so that's interesting. It actually doesn't feel like super sticky or anything. It actually feels kind of smooth. Like, I don't know, it'll be interesting to see, because usually I put like concealer as like my primer. That way I have kind of like a blank canvas, if you will, on my eyelids. But since this doesn't have pigment, it'll be interesting. Let me do my brows real quick, and then I will apply the primer and do a quick-ish little eye look. I'm kind of wanting to do something a little more creative, so we'll see. So here is the primer. I'm just gonna, we'll use a brush just to, I don't know. I didn't cut my brows out or anything. I was going to, but then I was thinking, maybe it could work. Probably put way too much on this eye, so we'll see. Now we shall go in with a shadow. next thing in the box is this. This is the Ciate London Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint. I think this is just like a liquid blush, which I realize doesn't really go with my look, but oh well. Anyways, this is $22. It's a next gen gel balm tint blush that is set to shake up and refresh your beauty routine. Okay. Cool. Pretty. Mine's in the color papaya, I believe. Yeah, papaya. It's like corally pinkish shade. So I'm not really sure what the best, oh my gosh, I'm not really sure what the best way to apply this is. I guess just with my fingers. We'll see. Oh my god, that came out really fast. I was not ready. Okay, this is probably more than enough for both sides. Oh no. Oh no. I guess this is a test to see how well it blends out. It's an interesting texture, by the way. It's shit. I wonder if I can like shove it back in there. I'm gonna use my stippling brush. I don't have anything on my face right now, so it shouldn't be getting caught on anything. But I have another liquid blush, and it's more liquidy. Like, this almost feels like the right. It says balm. It feels like a balm. Okay, actually, that blended out pretty good. Like, it's not like sticking to one place, like where I put it, which is nice. Ooh, it smells like cucumbers or something. Like, it smells fresh, maybe papayas, I don't know, but it smells really good. I like that. The next product in the box is this. This is the Complex Culture Pleasure Points Baked Highlighter and Bronzer Quad. Ooh, I like the packaging actually. It's plastic, but it's like still kind of like luxe feeling almost. But yeah, so it's got 2 highlights and 2 bronzers. This highlight here is probably gonna be too dark for me. Both of the bronzers could work. I might actually mix them, so we're gonna do that actually. Take my little bronzer brush and mix. Wow, they're really powdery, a lot of kick up. So if you don't like that, just know that that's a thing. Ooh, okay. Usually a lot of times I can't see bronzer on my forehead because my forehead tans, so. I don't know how, I should have put the bronzer on first, but oh well. Don't know how this is gonna perform on the cheeks though, but on the forehead it looks good, so I'm just gonna say that on the cheeks it probably works as well. Even though I didn't really test it on the cheeks, but it's fine. Anyways, did I say how much this was? I don't think so. This is $42 actually. But like I said, the packaging is really, like, it feels high quality, and I know a lot of people gripe about packaging. Personally, I would rather have a good formula over good packaging, like the, what's the brand, Viseart. I guess they're kind of rebranding to be more towards, like, regular makeup people, or regular makeup users. This is the highlight, by the way, the lightest one. Ooh. Definitely sticking to the blush, but it's really pretty, so. But anyways, but they used to, you know, just have those like plain black plastic palettes with like the clear plastic lid, And a lot of people, I guess, didn't like that because it's like, why am I paying, you know, $90 or $100 for a palette that isn't even like... Okay, these highlighters are a little, even the light one is a little too dark for me. I don't know if they have like different shades in this. I'll let you know. Editing journal will let you know. But highlight's a little too dark, so especially like on the nose. But anyways, so yeah. But the shadows themselves are really good. And the thing is, what people didn't realize, what beauty gurus and stuff didn't realize, is that they cater, that was a makeup artist brand. And I think they're, like I said, they're kind of steering away from that now and going towards the more like beauty guru, regular consumer, if you will, type with their packaging and stuff, because their packaging, I guess, is now more of like prettier, I guess. I don't know. Personally, I think that I'd rather have formula over packaging. I think it's kind of dumb that people were griping about the packaging, and it's like, the thing is, when you're a makeup artist, you have like a bunch of stuff in your kit, okay? You want something with a clear window in front, that way you can easily and quickly see what you're grabbing, so you don't have to open up everything that you're like looking through. So I don't know, I think maybe they just kind of, maybe they weren't getting the makeup artist market like they used to. I don't know, but yeah, I don't know, I just think it's, I just think, I don't really agree with that decision, but I mean, you know, I mean, I'm not like a marketing person or anything like that, so maybe it was the smart thing to do, I don't know. But anyways, the last thing in the box, I'm gonna look a little insane because I'm gonna wait to put on mascara, because I'm gonna do white mascara, so I'm gonna look kind of crazy, but we're gonna pretend that I have on regular mascara. The thing that I'm most excited for is this. I'm so excited, and kind of what inspired this whole look. This is the KAB Cosmetics Lemon Lime Lip Oil Duo, not Trio, Duo. This is $39. My favorite lip product currently is one of their lip oils, and it's the Honeydew one. I love this color. The thing is with lip oils, especially their lip oils, they're not like super pigmented. It's mostly just like the scent, because the color isn't really going to show up that much unless you have like super pale lips. But since I have pretty pigmented lips, it just doesn't really like change the color of mine that much, but I love it. So apparently they're supposed to smell accordingly as well. So we have, this is the lime one. It's green, in case you can't tell. And this is the lemon one, and it's yellow. So let's smell them. Yep, smells like lemon. It smells like lemon extract, or lemon oil or something like that. Not like a lemon, you know. This definitely smells like lime too. Oh my gosh, I love it. I could swatch both of these. They're probably gonna look the same on the lips, but we'll go ahead and swatch them. I feel like if you do have lips that are more on the pale route, the yellow would probably be the one to use the most, because it's probably going to be the one that's closer to like an actual lip color, if you will, not like anything crazy like a green. But yeah, tastes amazing. But yeah, there's like no color, which is fine. I'm gonna do the other one now. Beautiful, so juicy. I love it. The cool thing about lip oils is, unlike lip glosses, they're not like goopy, so you can get like a high amount of shine, but your lips aren't gonna like stick together. which is why so many people like lip oils. So yeah, but that's the last thing in the box. Let's do some math. So the total is $155. So that's a really good deal for $25, as always, of course. Yeah, but that's the video, guys. I will insert a video of the final look, if you will, after all this, so that I can, because why not? But I didn't want to look insane as I was like trying to talk to you guys. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, follow me on my socials. If you missed them in the beginning of the video, they'll be in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay guys, here is the final look. Like I said, it's kind of crazy, but it's fine.